Sir, is it possible, really possible to crack BITSAT in last 40 days? You will find the real and most authentic and most actual genuine answer in this video. So watch this video from beginning till the end so that you will understand each and everything clearly. Definitely it is possible. How it is possible, we will going to get to learn in this video. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like this video as much as possible so that maximum students can avail the benefit of this video and they can actually get benefited in their BITSAT preparation. Remember that BITSAT is just 40 days away, right? Even if you are starting from now onwards, or even if you have prepared to some extent and like some of the portions are still remaining, so how you can actually catch up with all those aspects and you can crack BITSAT. So let's discuss the 40-day strategy, the strong strategy, the robust strategy previously applied by many toppers who have cracked and made it possible. They have cleared BITSAT examination. So can you. Let's start the video with the same enthusiasm. Okay, and obviously please hit the like button, and with your like buttons we will get the constant encouragement. We will bring the more and more useful content like this for you. So this is the 40-day game plan. Remember that 40 days game plan, 40 days game plan, it is a game and we have to cross each and every levels, every stage to reach our final achievement, which is the cracking the BITSAT together. For the first 15 days, our focus must be on revising plus speed. This is the most important aspect, right? Revise quickly through NCERT, PCM, physics, chemistry, maths, important, right? Then timed chapter-wise MCQs. Just put a timer, solve as many questions from the topics, from the subjects. So that is the proper planning that you need to apply. Wherever you are finding difficulty, work on that part, right? Work on your weaker portions, work on them. Revise the strongest parts which you have already covered so that you do not forget them as and when you are advancing. This is the most important part. Daily you need to put 2 hours for maths, 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours for chemistry and physics each, and then LR and English at least devote 30 minutes. So this is the bare minimum that you need to contribute towards your BITSAT studies, even though you are already grappling with the other examinations, including the competitive exams as well as your board examinations, yet you need to work on your BITSAT preparations. Right now, it has no longer remained a choice. This is the compulsion. You have to mandatorily act it if you are actually serious about your BITSAT dream. Then build formula recall speed. How you need to do this? So formula recall speed, like you are quickly able to recollect the formulas and able to apply it while practicing the questions. In another 15 days, mock test. You need to solve at least one full-length mock test every 2 days. Then 3 hours of deep analysis. How many questions you solved, how much time it took, where did you go wrong, where did you do right, what questions you could do but you couldn't solve, what actually took a lot of time. Okay, so identify the mistakes and fix the weakest 4 to 5 chapters, work on them, target 110 plus attempts with the highest accuracy. That should be your ultimate goal. Then in the final 10 days, what you are supposed to do, final push, short notes say you need to do the quick revision, 3 to 4 final mock test if you are doing very good, and no new topics. So this is the most important strategy that you need to get started with. And if you are really serious about your BITSAT preparation in the next 40 days, if you really want to crack it, even starting from the scratch also, and wherever you are standing, definitely you can crack BITSAT examination. Maths is the rank booster, right? Calculus and algebra. So here we have actually highlighted a few topics where you will get a proper idea, and obviously you can customize it according to your preparation wherever you feel these are the high weightage topics. See, certainly there are the couple of high weightage topics, yet BITSAT is unpredictable. You need to study the entire syllabus. So this is the disclaimer that you need to keep in mind. But these are some of the high weightage topics. So definitely we have highlighted the names of over here, a few names: calculus plus algebra strong. So maximum attempts, right? For physics, formula game is there. So modern physics will help you, and current electricity and electricity, other chapters around that. So these must be your priority. For chemistry, NCERT is the gold. Okay, so that should be your priority, your preference. Inorganic direct questions. Okay, physics may solve the physical may solve numericals and learn the reactions from the organic chemistry. LR and English daily 20 to 25 minutes for the question practice will going to fetch you easy marks, right? So what should be our final takeaway? Our key focus should be on building the speed plus accuracy, and this actually matters more than the perfection. We are not looking for the perfection from the conceptual depth. No, what actually matters here is the building the speed and accuracy, how fast we can solve the questions more accurately. That is going to help you clear the BITSAT examination. If you have understood this much, now becomes the most important part, is how you will actually going to attain all of these things what we have discussed so far. You need the right resources, you need the right guidance, and someone who is actually taking you to the right destination in the right way, in the right direction, in the proper strategic and the structured manner. And for that purpose, you need the assistance in form of the structured BITSAT crash course. And this actually is being launched by our 10Q challenge team of experienced BITSians under the leadership of Harshal sir. With the 7 years of teaching experience, he along with his batchmates have designed the India's #1 and most relevant BITSAT 2026 crash course Safal batch. This is the most effective crash course right now for your preparation, which will enable you to crack the BITSAT examination. If you are really serious about the BITSAT examination and wondering how you can do well, how you can actually capitalize your energy, how you can capitalize your gains to crack the BITSAT examination, efforts to crack the BITSAT examination, definitely this course is going to act as the catalyst in your preparation. And here comes the catch. In this course, you are getting the recorded video lectures of all the subjects are getting covered, plus short tricks are also being taught, plus live sessions are also happening for the doubt clearing, and proper guidance are also being provided. Further, mock tests are also available. 20 full length mock tests, more than enough, which is going to help you crack the BITSAT examination by learning from the mistakes and improving them. It is going to give you the right idea how the BITSAT actually looks like. Further, DPB's question bank short notes are the most useful resources which are already previously used by many students, and they have got immensely benefited from our BITSAT 2026 crash course. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website 10qchallenge.in right now and get yourself enrolled in the course. If you have any course related query, you can contact us at this number 8839737146. Further, remember that below in the description box, you will find the special discount coupon code. If you enroll today, so you can avail the special discount of rupees 2500 off course fees. Although it is rupees 7500, after applying the discount of 2500, it will cost you just rupees 5000, which is even lesser than your application fees. So what are you waiting for? Go fast and get yourself enrolled. Below in the description box, you will find all the details. And there is no time to wait. Time to wait was previously, it is now over. Right now, time is just to act and get serious about your BITSAT preparation. With this, I will just sign off. Thank you. Jai Hind. God bless.